What do you want to say? Hey, do you think it's weird if a guy goes out alone?
No, it isn't.
It's cool, right?
It's cool, yeah.
Yes. Yes?
Who are you?
It's top secret. Look guys, they like when you go out alone and pick them up. If you are single and you don't have any friends, no wingman to go out with, or all your friends are married, then this video is for you, because I'm going out today on my own and I'm gonna give you a step-by-step plan on how to go out alone, how to think, so you can get laid tonight. The most important when you go out on your own is that you get social immediately. So the first person that you see, you just talk to them, you say hi, you say goodbye, you're spreading good vibes, because what you want to do is that you get in emotional state. Hola amigo. Look, yeah, you just say hello, you're just social, and you don't let all your excuses override you. Because of course you have approach anxiety and you don't know what to say and what to do and everything, but you just say hi, open your mouth and become social. Also, you have to turn off your head. You can't let all your excuses stop you. You know, just before I went out here, I'm in Playa del Carmen right now, in the city center. And just before I went out, it started raining, and then I thought, shall I really go out? But then I just put my shoes on and I just take my camera and shoot this video for you guys. And it's gonna be awesome. There are so many hot girls out here. It's a Saturday and it's fucking great. Hey chicas, say hello for YouTube. Yeah, what you don't want to do is that you get in your head. So you have to be present to the moment. You have to stop thinking negatively and you need to have positive self-talk. So basically you have to talk yourself into, yeah, I'm going out today, I'm going out on my own, I'm having a great time, I'm having fun, and I'm gonna bring value to the table. Hola, look, I made new Hola, I made new friends because it's raining right now. And you don't want to be dependent on the reactions of people. So, you know, some people like you, some people don't like you, and that's fine. You just want to get into these social interactions, you want to talk to girls, you want to approach people, and you want to spread good vibes, get in that emotional state, and be in a high frequency and in a high energy, and then people are drawn to you. Yeah, this is why I love this city here in Playa del Carmen. There's always something going on, you know, even if it's raining, doesn't matter. Today is Halloween, people are going out and they're funny and social. And look, it's wet everywhere, but this place is just magic. The energy here, the people here, so many hot Latina girls, I'm telling you, look. Guys, I'm telling you, when I went out for the first time on my own, hey, what's up, man? When I went out for the first time on my own, I was so scared. And then I made so many excuses. I said, oh, my shirt is not wrinkled, so I had to go and wrinkle my shirt. And then I was so scared and had so much social anxiety that I had to drink a tequila shot before I went out. And I was so scared, man. But at one point I said, hey, I want to have confidence. I want to be social. I want to be the guy that can go out on his own. And I'm telling you, I've been to 50 countries on my own. I lived in 8 countries and I just went there on my own and I built a social circle. And if you want to live a great life and if you want to be socially free and you want to be able to build a social circle, make friends, date the most attractive woman in any city, then you have to learn social skills and you have to face your fears and your insecurities. And then you will see that good things are going to happen. You make more money, you meet more girls, and it's fucking awesome. Hey, Latina chica. She loves me. Hey, what's your name? Hola. Nice to meet you. Do you want to come with me? We go out and party. Look, she's holding my hand. You want to follow me on Instagram? Yeah, tienes Instagram.
Sí.
Yeah, no, we make a video right now. I see you later, okay? Tequila girl. She's dangerous, guys. One of the most important mindsets to have when you're going out in general is that you don't have an agenda. you want to bring value. You don't want anything and you don't need anything from anyone. You bring the party, you bring the life, you're the cool guy. People need to fall into your frame, and you don't want to be the guy, hey, can I please be part of your party? You know, I want to be part of the group. You're the leader of the group and you're the great guy, and you make it happen and you bring people in your life. Not you want to join others and that whoa, and that you have the frame that I don't know what to say. What you want to do long term is that you build a life where you have social proof wherever you go. You need to be social, you need to talk to people, you make them feel great, and then when you go out in your city or wherever you go, every restaurant that you're going to, every club that you're going to, every social venue that you're going to, or even in the supermarket, you want to say hello and goodbye to people, and you just want to have small talk and be a cool guy, be fun to be around, and then you will have social proof because people see you again. It opens up possibilities. You can generate business, you can make friends, you can meet girls, you can invite them to your social events, and that's how you build a nice and fucking awesome lifestyle long term. If you're that antisocial guy and you're always shy and you're in your head and you're kind of like walking around like a loser with a weak body language, then you will also have a shit life. That's just what it is. Learn social skills, go out, talk to people, and you will have more options in your life. So wherever you go, you want to get to know the staff, the club owners, all the people that work at all these venues, and you just want to be a guy that is having fun. Okay. They're hot, are they? And you want to say hello, you want to talk to them, you want to get known in your city, and then you will see that everything is great and you're gonna have a lot more fun. If you want to be the guy that is too shy and can't approach a woman, and you're on online dating apps and you get a date every few months, or do you just want to be the guy like me and you can go out anytime, anywhere, and you meet pretty women, you get their Instagram, you get their number, everything is easy, I'm present to the moment, and I'm just having a lot of fun. I'm telling you, it's improving the life quality so much if you learn that stuff, if you learn how to be social, if you learn how to be a great guy and go out alone. Look guys, so what's also really good is that you get to know the party promoters wherever you go. And these girls, I don't know, do you want to marry me? we can have a foursome. We can have a foursome relationship if you want. I'll see you later, yeah? What do you want to say? Hey, do you think it's weird if a guy goes out alone?
No, it isn't.
It's cool, right?
It's cool, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, everyone should.
Yes?
Who are you?
It's top secret. Look guys, they like when you go out alone and pick them up.
Huh?
Let's go, Swedish girl.
Come on, guys, you have to step it up a little bit. Be
Yes.
more gentleman. Open
Yeah.
the door for us. Do a little.
She means
nice
big dick
gesture.
energy, guys.
Yes.
Yes.
It's not that difficult.
Yes,
I
exactly.
promise
Look,
you, you
she's
will get
loving her
laid
ass
every
up.
night.
Yes,
Yes.
that's fucking awesome. And you? Do you want to say something?
No.
No? Yeah, I just met these two German chicks and one Swedish chick. And you don't want to be the guy that's like so outcome dependent. You don't want to be, oh, I want to get her number, I want to get her phone number and everything. You just want to have fun and spread good vibes. And then woman will want to follow you anyways. Depending on when you go out, if you go out to day game, when you go out during the day to talk to girls in a shopping street or somewhere, or in the supermarket or wherever, or when you go out at night in a party street, what you want to do is that you get all the girls' Instagrams and you get all their phone numbers, and then you can text them later in the night to meet up again, or to go for drinks, or to just have fun, or to invite them to your after party. But you have to approach a lot of girls to get in social state, to have a lot of phone numbers, to have a lot of Instagrams and a lot of options. Guys, not rely on one girl. and then directly get into a relationship with her like a loser. And yeah, that's what you want to do. You build up the pipeline. And that's why it's important to live in a crazy place, live in a good place, not in your cow town where there is enough women for everyone. Yeah, what some guys forget is that the game has to be fun. It has to be fun to go out and meet women. So you have to be self-amused at all time. You need to amuse yourself. You have to find ways how you can have fun, how you can have a good vibe, a good energy, how you can be present, how you can fuck around with people a little bit, you know? And then the girls fall into your frame, and by going out alone, you build the confidence, you build the resilience, and you build that muscle of being social, of being confident, and you build self-reliance, because you learn that you are the only one that you can really rely on in this life, and going out alone is a great tool to do all that. Special trick, so when you're going out to a nightclub on your own, what you can do is that you game the entire club. So you talk to everyone and you make friends with a set that hooks. So that means when you approach a group of girls and they react well and they like you, and you know, they ask questions and everything, and they accept you in their group, what you can do is that you use them as your base set. So you go around the club, you talk to all the other people, and you have your base set that you can always go back to. And what you're gonna do is that you use them as your friends and you introduce them to other people. So you merge sets. That means that you just introduce everyone to everyone, and then everyone thinks that they are your friend. And you're the guy with the most social proof in the environment. And it's a great trick, you can always use that. Also, if you don't have friends that approach women, which is kind of loserish, but if that's the case in your scenario, then just go out with your friends, let them stand there in the corner of the club, drink a little beer, and you go out and be the social guy, and you use your friends who don't approach women as a base set. That also works. Where are your friends? So when you're going out alone, this question is 100% gonna come up. And what you're gonna do is that you say, I'm out alone, or you say, I don't have any friends, with a funny voice and tonality, because everyone has some friends, you know? Or what you can also do is that you say, I don't know where my friends are, I lost my friends, or my friend went home with some girl, which shows that you're having friends that getting late, which is special these days. That's what you can do if they ask you, where are your friends? How to get late when you go out on your own. What you want to do is that you get all the phone numbers from all the girls, you contact them, and you invite them to your after party if you're going out at night. You just tell them in the interaction, hey, I'm having an after party, you can all come. And then the girls that are the most attracted to you, that's the girls that you're gonna invite, and that's the girl that you're gonna take home. Also with day game, if you approach a girl and she's interested in you, ask if she has time, figure out the logistics, take her directly on an instant date, and then you'll see that she will love it. Guys, make sure that you watch all the other videos on my channel, step-by-step guide, how to go out on your own. I love you all, and don't forget to get girls, make money, and train hard.